Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Today we are gonna talk about none other than investor of all time Warren Buffett, right? And what exactly he is doing. Of course, it makes a lot of moves when his company buys or sell. So let's get right into today's video and discuss what he has done. Welcome to AD Finance guys. If you're new to the channel, I would highly appreciate if you can give a thumbs up, like this video and subscribe to the channel. We are diving into Warren Buffett's Q4 2024 stock moves, and it's always interesting to see what the Oracle of Omaha has been up to. Let's start with the first one, right? Okay, so the first one is Constellation Brands, ticker symbol STZ. And as you can see from the screenshot here, right, that's my Robinhood account. The stock is currently trading around 175 per share, and as of the recording of this video, you can notice there is a after hour jump of almost 8%, right? And that is because Warren Buffett, because he bought this stock heavily, and right there you can see that there is a big jump, right? And this company, if you talk about this company, right, this company is an American producer of beer, wine and spirits, and also the largest beer import company in the US. And looking at this screenshot, you can see the recent after hours moment clearly tell that Berkshire Hathaway has took a long and big stake. We are going to talk about exactly where you can see and how to you can see for the future what this Berkshire Hathaway is buying. So stick around to the video till the end, and I'm gonna show you exactly where you can see all these details, right? Coming back to this, Berkshire purchased almost 5.62 million shares of this stock last quarter, right? And that is totaling about $1.24 billion. And this is also a dividend stock, so it's likely that Buffett sees long-term value and income potential. Now the second one, and this one is pretty familiar, which is Domino's Pizza, ticker symbol DPZ. And Berkshire significantly increased their position in Domino's Pizza, and they've increased their position by almost 87% in the fourth quarter of 2024. Again, at the end of the video I'll show you where you can get all this detail. And looking at the screenshot of Robinhood, right, as of recording of this video, you can see it's sitting right around $480 per share. And this company is we all know that it's an American multinational pizza restaurant chain, and they purchased Berkshire purchased 1.1 million shares in the fourth quarter of 2024, and that's huge, right? And again, like Warren Buffett's style, most of his stock, as you see, are dividend, and this one is no surprise. Domino's is also a dividend stock, so he is gonna get regular dividend from this stock. Okay, moving on to the next one, right, and that is Pool Corp, ticker symbol POOL. And Berkshire also increased their stake in this company. They upped their position by almost 48% last quarter. And taking a look at the screenshot, right, from my Robinhood, as of this recording of this video, Pool Corp is at $344 a share. And Pool Corp, if you talk about the company, Pool Corp is world's leading wholesale distributor of swimming pool equipment, parts and supplies, and related outdoor living products. And they serve roughly 125k wholesale customers around the world. So it's a pretty big company, mostly summer related items, as you can see from their brand, right? And Berkshire has purchased 194,000 shares this stock in the last quarter. Okay, last thing, right, that I wanted to discuss is where exactly you can see all these details. So this is a site, that's hedgefollow.com, and if you go to this site, right, you can search here by Warren Buffett, right? So you can basically see all the big hedge funds, what they're buying, selling using this site. So there are very useful information that you can find in this, right? So I'm gonna concentrate today on Warren Buffett. So if you search by Warren Buffett, it basically pulls up this, right, and it shows what are the top 10 holdings. And we all know he loves Apple, so that's what you see here, Apple. So these are the top 10 holdings, right? Now let's go here and see like what happened. So this is what I was telling earlier in this video, right? So as you can see, they have upped their change in shares by almost 86% of the Domino's pizza. Next, as you see, Pool Corp, and if you come down, right, so there is an addition that you see here, this one, right? So that's a new one that they added, and they have already added almost, like I said, 1.2 billion dollar of shares, right? So there must be something that Warren Buffett is thinking, and this may be a time that you can do your own research into this, do more research and see if it is a viable buy for you, right? Now moving on further down, right, let's see what they have been selling, right? So most of that you see here, these are the stocks that Berkshire Hathaway, or rather you can say Warren Buffett through Berkshire Hathaway, is selling, right? So most of it is financial. Looks like here that he's been selling a lot of the financial stocks from his Berkshire Hathaway portfolio. Like you can see the Bank of America, Capital One, right, Citigroup. All these are a big financial institution that he is been selling. And if you look at here, is almost Ulta Beauty has completely kind of cleared from the portfolio. Same as if you look at SPY, right, it's almost zero. So he has almost sold everything on this SPY, right? So even though this was not, to begin with, it was not a huge percentage in terms of the overall portfolio, but still whatever was there, he has cleared out SPY completely. And same as the Vanguard index funds, right, that's also almost zero. So all these he has almost sold out everything from the portfolio. So the new entry, like I said, this is very interesting, that he must be thinking something, and that's why he has increased the share here. So overall, as you can see, right, this is a very good site. You can see the trades as well. What are the biggest trades that he did in Q4 2024? There's some more here, which is the Siri, the CSXM, the radio that you see, that's also he has increased. So you can go over more here to find more details, but in overall, in today's video, I wanted to cover this part, that he is making some big moves around these three stocks, right? So those three are the main ones that he has made very big move, and that's what we could see, especially for this one, in the overnight trading that happened. Okay guys, so there you have it, Warren Buffett's Q4 2024 moves. It's always insightful to track these changes, but remember to do your own research before making any investment decisions. He must have some reason. One reason I could think of is the upcoming season that is coming. Most of at least couple of them seems to be related to that, but do your own research and see if they fit in your portfolio. And I would love to hear your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, put your questions down in the comment below. I do respond to all of them. And again guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe, and don't forget to like this video and check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching guys, and I will talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.